We are live. I just need to get stream music up. We can do this. Alright, so we have a little over 24.5 hours left. It will not be easy to finish up this game, but it is definitely possible. Yesterday, you know, say, like, say 15 hours ago now, I had no idea what I was doing. No, not even 15, like 17-ish. I had no idea what I was doing, really. I was getting stuck on the code. I was getting, like, very audibly frustrated, I feel like. But now this is kind of the, redemption period. What needs to happen now, we need to just get as much done as we can today. It's definitely possible that we can finish this. I had to completely pivot towards a new idea. But in 3 hours last night, we did all of this. It doesn't look like much, but over here, 5 healing towers that will heal this big boss man. If we run it, the towers just randomly spawn. Now, granted, it can use some polish. It's gonna need to happen. You know, I'll have to put everything together, fix it all up. But that's doable, you know? And that's kind of gonna be closer to the end of the jam, you know, in the final, maybe not the final few hours. I don't know how long it'll take, but, yeah, we'll see what happens. We're going to just do a couple of things first. This is fire looking, those trees are peak. Oh my goodness. No, the trees, listen, alright, I consider this to be somewhat placeholder artwork. It's not gonna be, oh, stream music, yeah, here, let me, was just about to get that set up. It might be loud for a second. Yeah. Okay. That should be good. Okay, now you can actually hear it. You couldn't hear that before. So, that's that. Okay, we have that set up. Now let's get back into this. So, basically, one of my main issues with the towers at the moment is they spawn. Here, you kind of can't see it unless I actually show the debug, but you can see the towers, you know, they spawn like right on top of each other in some instances. They spawn around the trees. That's gonna need some polish, of course. I'm thinking maybe making the spawn region smaller to fix that, but I'm not 100% sure yet. What's the game about? So basically, so you have these 5 healing towers, right, with little CPUs on them. They heal Big Boss Man. That's gonna be his name for right now. And you need to, like, destroy them and then, like, avoid his attacks. And then once you destroy all the little healing towers, you can actually, like, do some good damage to him. I love Big Boss Man. Exactly, bro. He looks fire. I'm gonna have to animate a little thing for him, but as of right now, that is not of utmost concern. Yeah, let's see how big the robot is in relation to the He's kind of small. Hold up. Let me increase it. Hello, fellow Godot user. Hello. What's the rules of reverse part? I don't really get it in this. So you control the enemies. Well, you don't really control them, but like you choose where to put them. So they'll follow your cursor. You click. They, you know, aggro to the nearest tower, and they destroy it. Every time that one of your little robots dies, though, they get another tower. So you kind of have to be careful of where you put your robots. We're gonna make this a bit bigger. Just a little bit. Here, now we just need to kind of stretch this out a bit. I think this works. Alright, that should work. That's too big. Okay, hold up. Let's just like shrink it down maybe like that. We're gonna move this. Hold on, chat. Alright. Okay, here. Back on the origin for this bit. Because otherwise it's gonna be real annoying to import. I think that should work. Yeah. Okay. The aggro range is decent. I think that's good. Okay, so next up here, we're gonna make a node 2D. And it's just gonna act as a parent node for all the healing towers. Let's see if this breaks it at all. It shouldn't. Reason being, in the script, it's literally just the actual node, it's no path to the node. Which, that's all the parent is, altering. Oh, never mind. This isn't, wait. Yeah, never mind. We're gonna... Wait. Towers. Okay, that should fix it. Okay, there we go. Hold on. I'll show a couple of these because it's just blowing off steam. Didn't come down randomly, it's giving up this one, know what to do. Oh god. Okay, here, so I've been making the spread of the fork and the burger hand. I've been trying to make it come down randomly. Maybe like I'll just add an off-screen collider, I'll reset the position of the forks and be done. That sucks, man. Sorry about that. It is difficult to make a game on mobile. Any funny stories you have to tell? I actually do. So yesterday, my stream crashed and then I went live. Lost a whole day. Oh god. Ugh. That sucks. Like, are you just gonna rework it all at this point, or like restart? Because I feel like if you're gonna restart, like, you're probably gonna have to scope really small. Yeah, so stream crashes yesterday. After that first one, I go live for like another 30 minutes. I'm gonna finish this, I have no other ideas. Good luck, man. Even if it's not perfect, it'll be something. Yeah, so I am messaged by Luke, like, right around the end of the stream. And he's like, hey, are you busy? I said, well, I said yeah, but like at this point I'm thinking, like, am I really busy? I mean, I'm losing my mind while failing to code a grid system. Or any movement system, for that matter. And so, you know, he was like, yeah, do you want to meet up with Ryan and I? Just mess around. I said, yeah, because why not? Alright. I was losing my mind trying to code this. Not this, but trying to code the original idea. So we meet up, and Luke has a Google Voice thing. Not voice, but like he has a Google Home thing. And Ryan and I, we kept asking who we were. Your name is Pickles. Which obviously was quite demoralizing. I mean, like, what the heck? You know, I don't want to be named Pickles. That's kind of odd, if you ask me. But yeah, that was definitely interesting. So yeah, that was quite demoralizing. It told Brian that he was a person. I never got that same treatment. This you? Oh my goodness, Rowan. But yeah, no, okay, dude, I can talk. It eventually called Ryan a person. Wait, wow, lucky. I never got that upgrade, so. Yeah. I guess that's a thing, I suppose. Alright. YouTube tagged this stream as Minecraft, bro, what? Probably because I don't normally stream, game development. I don't know. It was an opportunity. I wanted an excuse to do this. I'm just not realizing we made, like, no progress. Okay, wait. So, what needs to happen is, in the level, so it spawns the towers. Is it because those trees are peak? No. Oh my goodness. Okay, here. So it spawns the towers. This is all like, it's just kind of, this is all pretty simple. But now what needs to happen is we need to, code the robot to follow the cursor. Here, I might make a robot. Would you like to playtest my web game for the GMTK jam? Perhaps. Maybe in a little bit, actually, because I need to code these robots, but I would definitely be happy to playtest. Okay, here, so we need to spawn in the towers, and then after that, we need to spawn in the robots, I'm thinking. What I think might be, okay, hold on. So, okay, thanks, no problem, man. If I have time to, that is, which I likely will, at some point. I'm not gonna do this all day, I'm gonna have to do something else. Okay, so the robot. We need to spawn in 10 of these, kinda in a small area. So now what I'm thinking is we get a couple of node 2Ds. I should just get a couple of these. Take one, put it down here, and take another one and put it, let's say, up here. This looks good. So now, Okay, that should be good now. Let's see. Can I have an await? No, wait. Because there's no oh wait, yeah, there is a function here. I don't imagine that working. Error at line 37? There is no 37. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. So we need to spawn in the robots. Problem is, let's say that one spawns like right up here. I'm pretty sure a tower can spawn in around this area. Let me test run a few times. Yeah, that's kind of problematic. What we could optionally do is just do a little shrink of the aggro range, and that can probably work. Shrink it more. I mean, I feel like this is good. And then, so we have our spawning range. Let's just say we start out with like 5 robots. And then for every tower you take down, you can get another 2. So then you can have like up to 10 robots. I think that's good. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, here. So let's try. What was I gonna do? I keep forgetting now. Okay, here, get the position. Script. So now what we should do is get a, because we're still under the ready function. Variable robot spawn point 1 equals random range from, let's see, so 409 746. Okay, so it needs to take the X values first, so 439 1354. That's what it is. 1354. Alright, and then it also needs to take robot spawn point 2. 746. Oh wait. Alright, there we go. So now, let's see. So now what we're gonna do is take this little chunk, copy it many times. Alright, that should be good. The amount of errors we have right now is immaculate, but that's fine. So, it's 1.3, 4, and we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So now we just kind of need to do everything else. So they're all kind of, yeah, this should work. After that, let's say that you get like 10 robots at the max, right? We said that earlier. We need a lot of robots, so alright. That is good. We need to move like all of these robots. No 2D and then no 2D too. Alright. So at this point in time, now we need to tower spawn point, remote spawn point here. So now robot here. So variable robot one spawn point is equal to the vector 2 that is made up from this is the one time that this music has come on, Rowan, that it isn't just bad timing. That's the one time. It'll be the only time ever. Okay. Alright. Alright. So now we have the 5 spawn points. Now what needs to happen? We need to, it might be under the process function, I'm thinking, whenever we can add it to the like a counter scene, right, where it takes note of the amount of towers destroyed and gives a corresponding amount of parts. And then when the robots come back, you know, they build up the robot and send out another one, but it minuses, you know, say 2 robot parts, and you get 2 robot parts from one tower. That's what I'm thinking, and then we'll kind of do the same thing for the tower, so if it kills a robot, there's another tower that spawns. But we'll have that game logic kind of figured out. Alright, I'll be right back, chat. Alright, chat, we're back. So, now we have the... hold on. So my fork tray is set to a specific position after hitting an off-screen collider. I would connect an area 2D and input something like when area or enter position.y. What I want. Do you have the I'm trying to think. So what might happen is, let's say you have the fork, right? If you want it to go back to a specific position, what I'm thinking is you take the you have it so it's like a function when it hits the off-screen collider, you give it a vector 2 and it resets to that. Maybe? Not 100% sure. I feel like that could work, but I'm also not 100% sure. Hold on. Okay, so we have 10 robots now. What needs to happen is these are almost completely done. So now, I'll try making a variable right now with a specific position. Let's see, yeah. If that doesn't work, try vector 2. Is my next best idea. Alright, spawning the robots. They're a little hard to see with the color of the grass. I might re-import them later, that, or I'll just change the color of the grass. It's like annoyingly vibrant in my opinion. Plus it clashes with the little screen on both Big Boss Man and Little Robots, which is a problem. So after this, let's see, robot 4 dot position equals the robot 4 spawn point. This is easy. I feel like the way I'm doing this isn't very efficient, but it works, alright. Oh wait, and then goes up to 5, okay. So, now we're at a point where we have the robots. Okay, so... now we just need to script the robot to follow our cursor. Not a basic movement, we'll probably just do is have a default, yeah. Scripts. Alright. Here, we're gonna clear our debugger and everything, just keep everything kinda clean. Clear output, alright. So, here, so function ready. We don't really need this function ready. Let's see, so now we're at a point where we have our process function. Get global mouse position. And then direction.x equals, so we need to get the, yo, hi Ryan. Okay, so we need the, hold on.